Imagine if you are able to connect with any frequency of the universe at any time. In this course, you're going to learn about Hermetic Kabbalah. You're going to be able to learn how to connect with any frequency, any divine pattern at any given time. My name is Jake, and together we're going to go over all the precise steps, tools, and attunements you need in order to be able to connect with all these divine and sacred frequencies. We're going to be going over Kabbalah in the style of Franz Barden's Key to the True Kabbalah. And unlike that process that takes years, if not decades, we're going to be able to make sufficient strides in our Kabbalistic work within days and weeks. If you're looking forward to producing results and being able to do Hermetic Kabbalah, theurgy, or any other spiritual practice, this course is going to lay a foundation for you to get into that work. In addition, you're going to be receiving over 30 different types of transmissions and attunements that are going to help you connect with any type of frequency, sensation, thought, or experiential exercise. These keys are not only going to help you with this process, they're also going to help you unlock the keys and the hidden factors behind succeeding in other spiritual systems and practices. If you've been waiting to have results in your theurgy practice or your Kabbalah practice, then I invite you into this course to accelerate your progress. I hope to see you on the inside.